The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. In the Great Perfection, where what is real is not dual, we take a backward pathway through designations of differences. In the treasure of non-dual reflective awareness, we divide up two truths in contradiction with their unity. In the emptiness of unvisualized self-luminescence, we build up an unvisualized purity, which is a contradiction. The view that is free from chains has no planetary concerns, but to hold on to being free from planetary concerns is a point of delusion. In the self-luminescence of uncontrived wisdom, there are dharmas that obfuscate our dominion and our wisdom. While this jewel has been clear of them since the primordial, using the three purities to perform a search is a mistake. In the mandala of wisdom that is unconnected to generation, there is a great yoga of generation and graduated searching. When we search, we are separated from this self-occurring treasure. In the mounds of the precious jewels of wisdom, there are the hopes and worries of wanting our blessings to appear. The wheel of self-luminescence has a purpose. This jeweled wheel is all good. It abides in the self-luminescent hearts of the 6 kinds of living beings. Luminescent awareness does not hold on. Its objective melts into its dominion. It shines, but is not evident. In the blessings of the self-luminescent sun, this unsought light encompasses the 10 directions. It is described as having 14 specific qualities. The dharmas and the essence of the mind do not go to extremes, nor do we see them revertedly. The entirety of all the great perfection, nothing excepted, is described as resembling a solid mountain of luminescence. Regardless of any apparent definitions for permanence and cessation there may be, the mind in itself maintains neither wide nor narrow dharmas. This is described as resembling the space of the sky. The luminescent equality of all the dharmas arises without our searching for it. The current of self-luminescent awareness is perfect. This is described as resembling the sun rising in the sky. Sentient beings, Buddhas, and others do not confuse happiness and sorrow, so the great perfection is described as resembling the essence of gold. The ocean of self-clarity has no shore. It is difficult to define and will not be penetrated through any search. This is described as resembling the bottom of a deep lake. Unsought blessings arise by themselves, with piles of spontaneously made jewels.